Hello everyone. So today we'll be doing our first logo with our PixelLab application. So just launch our PixelLab application. So this is it. Then we'll design a quick logo with it. Simple logo. We'll start with the simple ones before we advance to the more complex ones. So the first thing I need here is a shape. I need a shape. This is where we get our shapes from, or you can get it from here and click shapes. Either way to bring out this shape here. But I need a cycle, not a square. So I'll just change it from here. I just click on this and then click cycle. So it brings it out for me. I increase it a little. Okay, this is good. Now I don't want this white background of the shape. I want to remove it. So I just reduce the opacity. You can see opacity here is 100. I reduce it a little. So let's say 13. Okay, this is good. Then I will now increase the stroke. See stroke here. I increase the stroke a little. This is good. Let me reduce the opacity a little more. Yes, this is good. So this is my stroke now. 7 is okay. Then I want to change the color of the stroke. You can see stroke color. I'll change the color of the stroke to let's see. This good. This is okay. Okay. Then after I'm done with this cycle, and then I click on this mark. That's done. Then I need another shape again, another cycle. I can come here and click shapes again and do the same process. But instead of going through all this process, I just click on copy. Once I click on copy, it will just bring it here for me. So I need a smaller copy of it. Here you can use your grid. You can just use your grid to adjust it to make it equal on both sides. Okay. I think this is this is okay. Now I want another shape. Okay, before we go to another shape, now you come to this place. Now you have two shapes. You come here. Here we call it the layers or overlay. If you click it, you see that the two cycles are in two different layers. This is because so that you can edit anyone you want to edit without destroying the other one. Okay, so now that I'm sure that I'm okay with these two, I can merge the two of them together. And how do I do that? I click on this mark sign here, then tick it, and then click on this one here, merge. Are you sure you want to merge selected object? Yes. Okay. So then click it back again. Now you see the two of them are merged together. Now I need another shape. So I just come here, shapes. So I need a rectangle. So I'll just use this square to make a rectangle. Like this. Little. Let's see. Come like this. Little. So I think it's okay like this. Then now it's okay like this. Okay. So this is good. This is okay. Then I click this. Now I want to remove this white color in the rectangle. I just come to erase color. Okay, first of all I click on merging. When you merge them together, then you can now erase the color. Okay, sorry. I need a little Okay. 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 Aha. I'm supposed to merge them together first. Merge them together. Merge them together. Okay, good. So now I can now erase color. Where is it? Erase color enable. So you can see that that part that has the white color is gone. So which is exactly what I want. Okay. Now we now want to write text inside our logo. We want to write text. So we now click on this A and write a text. Text. Here now, you click on it, you double click on it, and then you edit. Okay. Welcome. I want to change it to all capital. Just click on this double T up here. So change to all capital. Welcome. Okay. So I will increase it a little and bring it here. Then I want to change the font style. Come here and look for font. Then when you open your own, these are the fonts that you will see in your own. For me, I have some already downloaded fonts that I can use for my work. Okay, so I'll just look for this one I'm looking for. I'm coming. There is this font I'm looking for. Let me check here. This. Okay. So I'll just bring it here. Then I'll now rotate it a little. Then I want to bend it. I want to bend the text. Curve. So you can see it. Curve it a little. You can see it. I will still come back to it. I want to increase the spacing so that I can spread. Just watch what I'm doing. Spread a little. I can reduce it. Let's leave it like this. Then I go back to curve. See what I'm doing? I see what I'm doing. Exactly. So let's put it inside. Let's make sure that it's well arranged inside. You can reduce the size of the letterings. You can reduce it, you see, so that it will fit well into your cycle. Understand? Let's reduce it a little more. Let's come back to curve. See all these things you are doing. You just keep doing it till you get your work perfect. You keep doing it till your work is perfect. Okay, I think it's good like this. So then another text. Welcome online. Welcome online. Same thing. Okay. Then let's change the font style. Let's change the font. Let's use the same font for it. Okay. Then we bring it down here. Let's space it out a little. Then okay. Then let's curve it. Let's space it again. Let's space it. Okay, online. Good. So one more text. Double click and you edit it. This time everyone. Okay. Then we space it. Let's change the font style. Okay. Font style. Let's use the same font style for them. Then let's now space it more. Let's increase the font size. So let's increase this one a little. Font size. Come back. Let's keep this one. Then let's reduce the spacing. You can see what we are doing. Okay. Yes, this is good. And let's come back to this welcome. And then change the color of the welcome. See color here. Let's make it same color. Let's do the same with this one too. Change it to this, and then this color like this. Okay, good. So now this is a 2D logo. Now how do we now make it a 3D logo? Before we do that, let us merge everything together. So we'll come here, you click here, then you click them, merge everything together, and then you merge it. Okay, so you can see now that now in one layer. Okay, now let's make it in 3D logo. Now you come to the shapes here. You now come here. First come to emboss, enable it. Then here you have to be very careful. You can see as I'm rotating it, it's changing. So there is no particular formula for this, for what I'm about to do here. All you just do is you keep rotating it until you get a perfect work, until what you have done is okay by you. You keep rotating it until you see that okay, it's giving you something more of a 3D logo. Okay, then you come to the intensity. You can see you reduce it a little, just adjust it, ambient light a little, okay, then this flat, this more like 3D. You can see this one is flat, and this one more like a 3D. Okay, so that's okay for that. Then let's come to 3D shape, enable it. Okay, you can see it's in perspective, not in oblique, in perspective. Okay, then now let's reduce the depth. Let's reduce the depth a little. Let's make it okay. 3 is okay. Then the depth color is okay like that. Okay, it's okay like that. Then let's darken it a little. Then rotation. No. We'll come back here. Okay. Okay, let's leave this like this. Then let's go to shadow. Enable the shadow. Good. So let's see. See, it's looking more like a 3D logo. Then okay, this is okay like this. Then come to inner shadow, enable it. Then let's reduce it a little. Okay, let's make it 1. Okay. This is okay also. Then okay, I think let's come back to emboss and see. Something like this. Okay, so then that's okay. This is okay for that. Yes, this is good. I think I like this. Yes. So now we are through with this 3D logo. Now let's change the background. You can see it looking like a 3D logo, just a simple one. So by tomorrow and next we will advance. So now let's change the background of this. Let's pick from the gallery. Let's just go back. Let's see. Okay, let's pick from the gallery. I have some backgrounds that can work. Let's see this one. Okay, so I see this is okay. This is good. You can always change it, or you make it black. This is okay. I think this is good. Black is good like this. So you can still come back and adjust it. If you don't, you can still always come back to the shadow. Okay, let's just leave it like that. That's one. Okay, so this is how, literally, this is how you do your background. This is how you do it, a 2D logo. So this is how you do it. It's as simple as that. So that's it. So now we are through with this. Then we'll now save our work. Save it here. You can save it as a project so that you can always come back. You want to edit something, save it. Let me put my name there. Then you can also save it as an image. Change it to PNG. Okay, so that it's transparent. Change it to PNG and then you save to gallery. So to render the image and then save it for you. So when we go to our image gallery, you will see it there. So it's as simple as that. Thank you very much. So I was expecting your assignment.